Hello guys, welcome to my channel T something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix a configuration program for Microsoft Office any version 2007, 12, 13, 16 and upper than. So how can fix this type of file? Let's get started. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's see start. Okay guys, first of all open a file explorer and go to your these three dots. Click on options and click on a view option. Make sure that selected as show hidden file and folder and drives. In my case is already selected. Select it and click on OK button. Go to your C drive. Go to your program files. After that, go to your common files. Click on a Microsoft Share. After that, go to your Office and go to your Office Setup Controller. Now go to your setup, right click and rename it and setup, and after that type OLD. After that, now it's already exe files. After that close it. After that opening Microsoft and your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thank you for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.